Hey, he's very excited to see you. Yeah. You want to smile at him? You want to make a friend? Oh, come on. No, don't no frowning. You want to say hi to the chubby baby? Maybe you can be friends. Come, give a little smile. Hmm? Hello, chubby. Hello. Hey. Oh.
Ooh.
Ooh. Ooh. Hey, Ian. Who's that? Hey, don't you want to say hi to your friend? Huh? 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 You don't want to smile a little? Look. See, he's going to stand. Isn't that great? He can stand. See? Wow, and he's tall. Yeah? 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 You want to walk close to him to see what's happening? Ooh. Hey. Ooh. Hey. Ooh. Hey. Pretty cool, huh? Hey. Ooh. Ooh. Hey. Yeah? Come on, give it a little smile. See how he responds. You want to smile at your friend? Hi, Ian. Hey, 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 hey. You want to give a kiss? Hey. See, he's going to sit down. Oh, look, he's very versatile. That's fun, right? Yeah, he can sit down. Hoi! And then he stands up again. Right? Hey! See, he's so friendly and he smiles at you. Yeah? Yeah? Yay! That's very nice. You having fun? See, you have a very friendly friend. He smiles. Yay! And your friend has no teeth. See? Did you notice? Hmm? Yeah. He only has gums. Hmm? It's his toothless gum. Hey. 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 All right. Let's stand up again.